Since 1882, Lane College has been squarely engaged in the mission of developing the whole student.
Lane is approximately 150 years old, and we have a number of buildings on our campus that are in excess of 100 years old. So we wanted to make sure that we're here for another 150, 250 years, but we knew that we had to do something to improve the infrastructure.
Sustainability is the key to a lot of things, especially here at Lane.
We wanted our buildings to be places where the students felt safe, where they felt secure, where they felt that the very air that they were breathing was the best quality air that we could provide. As we began our master plan work, as we began our strategic planning work, our students were clear that they wanted our buildings to operate more efficiently.
A lot of students actually look at the sustainability before coming on the campus and before attending Lane.
We needed some expertise that a small liberal arts institution does not have. Folks at Entegrity have been with us every step of the way.
We started talking with Entegrity several years ago. We were looking at some deferred maintenance issues that we had, particularly as it relates to our HVAC systems. So we were looking at trying to cut costs, number one, for maintenance of the equipment, but also on our daily and our monthly utility expenses.
Being a part of this project has truly blessed me in a way because I get a chance to help build myself up and learn so much, and also help pass down what I've learned to future students and future generations in general. So I'm really happy to see this project blossom and be able to not only benefit the current students now, but future students here at Lane.
Because the students who arrive at our institution are students who need all of the financial help that they can get, we want to be able to provide this education affordably. And this project gets us there.
I know that the money saved will affect the university in a very positive way because I know that the money will be used for the uplifting of the college and for a better future to come.
This is just the beginning. It is what I dreamed of, that we would modernize our systems. This project has certainly helped us to move down that road, to really take a giant step forward. We have a responsibility to our environment to tend to it and to keep it. And this project is just right in line with that.